everyone, my name is Princess and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new one. Happy holidays everybody! So it's December now and I'm gonna be I'm gonna be doing a Christmassy, not really Christmassy, but a card, because I'm really a card person and I like giving cards and receiving cards, and I love making cards really when it's really budgeted and I'm on my budget. And this card, you can have all of the materials at your home. And I do believe, guys, that this cards is very thoughtful to give to your family and friends. That's why I created them. Easily make this card. So I'm so excited to share with you all. This is like a minimalist, Christmassy, vintage. If you're that type of person who is minimalist and very vintage and all that stuff, and old type of old letters, then this video really suits for you. And I'm talking too much to this intro, so without further ado, guys, let's just get started.
So starting off, get a plain brown paper and fold it into twice like that. So once you open it, you will have a 3 folds. And then get a long bond paper and then fold it into half like that, and then fold it. Once you fold it another one, so you could create a small like that. And then get a puncher, yep, and then punch it like that. Just punch at the top. And then get anything that you could tie. I just use a white one, and then just tie it like a ribbon. I did mine like a ribbon. And yeah, you could do whatever design you like, or you're just gonna plain it, stuff like that. So yeah, and then taking a tape. I like this tape. It's very vintage. I got it from the craft store, and then just gonna put it to look like it's like a ribbon, because I'm not good at arts and like that. So yeah, that's my way. And now just write a letter on it. Then we're gonna design on the outside. Now just take a tape and then get a fake flower. You could use real flowers depending on you like, but I really like mine fake because it was just gonna stay longer and preserve a lot more. But if you like the really old and vintage, you could use the real flower to make. And now you're done. You have this really cute vintage inspired with leaves letter that you can give to your family and friends this holiday. And now for the second card, you're just gonna need a bond paper and then gonna fold it. And you're just gonna fold it and get a pink. I just use mine, a pink ball pen, and then I write Happy Holidays. You could write whatever greetings that you like, depending on you prefer. I prefer mine Happy Holidays, and I use a pink ball pen. So I just got a sticker to add a bling bling and a dash on the card, because we achieve a minimalist one, but gonna add a little bling bling on the card. So I just use this sticker. And now you're done on your cards, and I like it. Looks really simple, but it had the sticker add a bang to this card. So yeah, I can't wait for you guys to try it. So the last and final card for this video, remember the bond paper that we use on the first card? You use it again the other half, and then grab a fake flower. You could use a real flower, but I prefer fake flower, a yellow one, because it celebrates joy. Yeah, the sunflower makes me happy, and the color means something to me, and I just write a letter on it. So after that, I just took an abaca. This is an abaca because it really add a very vintage effect on this, and then I just gonna wrap it on the card just like that. This is so vintage and I really like it so much. And then I just take another a ribbon white, and it's not a ribbon, I don't know what it's called, but that one that is white. You could do anything you prefer. And now you're done. It was inspired by a sunflower, and I just really like how it turns out.
So yeah, that's the video. I hope you guys liked the video. As you can see, all of the letters that I created, it's all like letters. The cards that I created, it's all like vintage and very oldie stuff and very minimalist. And for me personally, I like receiving that for Christmas, that type of letters. And it's like it gives more meaningful if you created those letters. So those letter or those cards, I kept saying letters and cards, what's happening to me? But I hope you guys liked the video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like to see more of the cards video, because I love creating and making them personally. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. Everything will gonna be linked down below. And don't forget to watch My Cessymas, my Vlogmas 2018 is still ongoing on my second vlogging channel, which is Cessy Vlog. Also, the links are down below. And don't forget to comment down below any Christmas theme videos you want me to film this coming holiday. This is like the last minute cards that you could create, and very affordable. And and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Happy holidays, everybody. Bye.